Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a full review on the new Milani Most Loved Mattes eyeshadow palette. So this is a new addition to their collection and I'm basically just going to talk all about it and also show you guys swatches in this video on my arm and how they look individually on my eyes. So if you guys want to see more, then just keep on watching. So currently right now this palette is available on MilaniCosmetics.com for $20, which is more on the higher end for a eyeshadow makeup palette that is drugstore. You know, usually you see something between like $8 to $15, but this is $20. And I think the reason why it is more on the expensive side is because it has a full-size mirror that is included with the palette, which I think is actually really nice. I love to use a mirror like really up close to my face when I'm doing my makeup, not only for my eyeshadows, but the rest of my makeup too. So this is incredibly helpful for me. It has 12 full color eyeshadows in here. They are all matte. You have a neutral side, you have the plums, kind of purples, and then over here you have the warm beigey, peachy kind of browns. As for the actual quality of the eyeshadows and the consistency of them, I definitely think they are very smooth. I also love how small this is. You know, it's very compact, it's very thin. This is something that you can easily take with you on the go or to travel with, and you have so many eyeshadows in there to choose from, so it's not like you can only create a few different looks. I mean, you can do multiple looks with this. In comparison to this eyeshadow palette right here, the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes, this goes for $45 and it has 12 matte eyeshadows in it as well. And I will show you guys how similar these eyeshadow colors are to each other. They have the same kind of color scheme going on. You can get this for half the price of this guy here, which I love this palette, but honestly, I would go for this one over this one just because of the price. And that way I can still do the same type of eyeshadow looks. I have all these awesome matte shades to work with, and it's so much cheaper. Just posted a makeup tutorial using this palette. If you guys want to see that, I will link it down in the description box. And let's go ahead and get started. are all the swatches, guys. I definitely 100% recommend this palette to you. It's amazing. I can't stop using it ever since I got it. This being the first eyeshadow palette I've ever tried from this brand, I gotta tell you guys, I am really, really impressed. I think the quality of these eyeshadows is amazing for that price. If you guys get this palette or happen to already have it, let me know in the comments what you think of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'm gonna link in the description box the makeup tutorial that I did using this palette right down below. So don't forget to check that out, and thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.